Simplify the following expressions using algebraic conventions. So first we have 5 times y, and you should know that when writing algebraic expressions we don't put the multiplication sign in. So we would just call this 5y. The same thing here, we need to lose the multiplication signs and we write that as negative 4ab. X times x is best known as x squared, just like 2 times 2 is 2 squared. And 2 times y would be 2y squared. Now here we have some like terms. We can see that we have x's and we have y's. And the sign in front always belongs to something. So when we look at collecting the x's, that's 3x add 2x. 3x add 2x is 5x. Then we have 4y take away 5y. 4 take away 5 is negative 1. So we have negative 1y. We write that as negative y because we don't normally write 1y, we just write y. With the next one, and this is very relevant to what we're going to be doing, the only like terms here are the x's. So the x squared will just carry on because there's nothing for it to pair with. But 7x take away 3x is 4x, and positive 4x because it's a plus 7 take away 3. And then there was nothing to collect the 4 with, so we still have it.